Hold my hand.
Just in case this does happen, I'm getting it on video.
Do you really think I should call that last person and then read the list?
Oh,
Tell me what you think. Should I call one more person or just go to the list?
Go to the list!
One more person.
List!
What's going on in there? People are laughing and having a good time at my offices. No fun allowed. Not allowed.
Danny, turn and look at the camera. Ah.
More phone call. Laylee says call one more. She sent me the number. So if you hear your phone ring, please put your computer on mute. Here we go.
Are you ringing?
No.
Are they on? I hope that they're watching. Hi, it's Arnaldo. Hi, it's Shalene. No way. Congratulations.
He sounds like you.
I'll kill him.
You're welcome. Oh my God, I fucking out. Well, your ads are ridiculous. I've seen the pictures. Amazing. And your air jacks, hello, inspirational. And seriously, you're going to bring so much energy to these videos. It's going to be off the chain. I cannot wait.
Oh my God, Joy, I cannot wait to show people, man. I learned so much from you. I just want to share it.
That's
I'm
awesome.
like falling right now. You have no idea.
That's awesome. That's so cool. Well,
Call my gay boyfriend right now.
we're excited for you.
Thank you so much, Joy.
I
I
think she's
can't
just
wait.
gonna announce the name.
You're my last phone call. Now I'm going to go to the list. So tune back into Ustream. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, see you soon. All right, here we go.
I'll delete it if it doesn't work.
Are you nervous?
Okay, good. Yes,
The
I'm
first one
nervous.
is Alexis Aubrey
Okay, we're in ABC order, right?
from Florida.